Here we have a 1500mm by 900mm Luxlite in portrait orientation. All Luxlites are handcrafted to order and can be made in bespoke sizes. We work to the internal dimensions, which means that the size you purchase is the visible glass area when viewed from within. Most other products on the market include the thickness of the frame in the dimensions, meaning far less visible glass. You also get the choice of having portrait or landscape orientation in all sizes we offer. The Luxlite comes triple glazed as standard, achieving standard UG values of 0.6. This can be further improved by upgrading the glass specification. This Luxlite has a black frame with clear reflex energy glass. We also offer anthracite grey coloured frames, and there are also a number of different glazing tints and glass types available to suit your needs, as well as remote controlled blinds with blackout fabric. The aluminium frame is powder coated to a marine grade standard, so is suitable for coastal locations and gives you the peace of mind that the frame will withstand the harshest of weather conditions wherever it is located. You will see here that we paint a border matching the frame colour onto the glass, which hides the glazing seals for great aesthetics and, more importantly, protects the glazing seals from UV damage. Viewing from the inside, you can see that the unit has a nice frameless appearance. The white trim you see here is pre-fitted and allows you to slot your plasterboard in with ease, making finishing quick and painless. You can actually add your skim coat to finish level with this trim, and when painted, this will also be hidden, giving a truly frameless view. Most pitch roof lights on the market have quite a chunky internal frame, making it difficult for minimal aesthetics to be achieved. Usually wooden and out of reach, they can go discoloured and mouldy over time. You do not have this issue with the Luxlite. We offer the Luxlite either fixed or opening. This example is an opening version, which is remote controlled. As it opens, you can see the chain actuators in the bottom section that push the roof light open. These are nicely concealed in the frame, so you have no motors or mechanisms on show. You can choose to have a rain sensor, which will automatically close your Luxlite if it rains. As mentioned, we do also offer a fixed version of the Luxlite, so if opening isn't a requirement, you can opt for the fixed option. If opting for both fixed and opening options, you'll be pleased to know that they share exactly the same aesthetics and will look great together on your roof. All Luxlites come with a built-in flashing apron surround, which is slightly out of view here. The tiles or slate overlap this apron, which acts as a gutter and ensures that water flows around the roof light and onto the roof below and away.